no, I stitched the wrong stitch and the wrong seam allowance. Darn it. How am I gonna fix this?
With a seam ripper. Basically, to use this tool, you want to take the sharp pointed edge, wedge it in between the fabric and the thread, push the seam ripper through, and pop the thread. Here's a closer look. Please be extremely careful not to poke the seam ripper through the fabric. It might cause a hole. When you're done, simply remove the threads from the fabric. Repin your fabric pieces and sew again. When sewing, you're gonna mess up. It's okay, keep trying. If this was helpful, comment below. Thanks for watching.